So jumping straight into this video, I'm going to show you how to go from this really short TWA to these box braids. Okay, so what you want to do is get thread, and typically you want thread that is going to match your hair. I found this out later the hard way, but I use white on my blonde hair, and I'm just showing you the parting. Now this parting took forever because my hair was so short. You could literally see I can't even fit it with my fingers, but I used a comb and I parted out the section as best as I could. I'm gonna place the end of the thread. You want to knot one end, so place the knotted end of the thread, lean it against your hair, and then you're gonna wrap the strand all the way around. Now I did this like maybe 10 times for security because I didn't want it to slip, but once you do that, then you're gonna take a pair of scissors and then you're just gonna cut the excess thread from the remainder. And I'm just showing you the completed first row, and this is the end result, y'all. I tried to get my part straight, especially because my hair is short. I wanted the parts to be as perfect as possible. I tried my best. As I said, this took forever. So I am going in here. This is actually 2 strands of hair, and I cut it in half, so I was left with 4 strands of hair. I'm then going to divide the 4 strands into 2 sets of 2, and then I'm going to cross it like a T. Just watch, you'll see exactly what I do. And this is what is going to make the 3 strands of hair to braid with. I'm going in with some red wand. You can use whatever gel or wax that you choose. I just used this and it worked out pretty well for me. And I'm going to apply this all onto my hair just to make sure that it is smooth and that there's nothing sticking out. I'm going in with a crochet needle, and I'm going from the back to the front, and then I'm just going to slide the hair through. Now be really careful. If you put the thread on tight, it's gonna cause some tension in getting the hair through, so be mindful of that as well. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to try to conceal my hair, and more importantly the thread, since it doesn't match my hair, with the braiding hair. So once I have my hair concealed, I'm then going to just basically braid in my hair with the braiding hair or extension hair. Just gonna show you again, this time sped up. Stick the crochet needle from the back to the front into your hair, then use the extension hair, apply it, slide it all the way through, make sure that the thread and your hair is concealed within the braiding hair, and then braid all the way down. And y'all, I just wanted to show you that there were some trial and errors. and just keeping this in, because you go through this when you braid your hair. As you can see, I was seeing the thread and I was like, this is exactly at the front of my head. I gotta take this out and start again. So that's exactly what I did. And another real life moment is, you can see the hair tangling. Now, hair braiding tip 101, you don't want to do a whole set of braids, because the ends of the hair are going to get tangled and matted, as you can see here. So what I recommend is that maybe if you braid once or twice, as in you do the movements braiding once or twice, make sure you spread your hair all the way, all the way down the length of the hair, just so that you could avoid or minimize these tangles that you are seeing me battle and deal with. And I braid it all the way down. A little if I'm contemplating, like, I seriously was, this hairstyle took me so long, and you know what, I literally kept it in for a couple of hours because I didn't like how it looked. There is nothing per se wrong with it, I just didn't like it. Just wasn't hitting how I wanted it to hit. So I still hope that you were able to find something useful from this tutorial. And basically this is the end result of me braiding. I went ahead and I applied some cold wave rods all the way on each of the ends of the hair, and I dipped it, and this is the end result. As I said, I kept this in for a couple of hours, but it was cute, and you can braid really short natural hair using this method. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up, and if you have not already, there's a red button right there marked subscribe. Go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.